Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our poetry celebration where words come alive and young voices are heard.
Today, we gather to enjoy the creativity, imagination, and how-to expression of our talented students. Hello, everyone. My name is Brett, and I am happy to be one of your MCs today.
My name is Roxanne, and I am excited to be your MCs too.
And I am Anna.
And I am Minda.
Together, we will guide you through this special celebration of poetry. We would also like to thank our dear parents, teachers, and guests for being here to support our young poets. This poetry celebration is the result of the learning and hard work of our students during the poetry workshop. Throughout the workshop, our young learners explored the beauty of literature and poetry.
Minda.
And they learned to be brave and confident.
Today, our students will share the poem they made.
To begin our presentations, let us explore poetry through meaningful words that celebrate the beauty of literature. Please welcome our grade 3 to grade 5 students as they present their literature acrostics.
Learning lives in every line, so bright, so bold and true, like little lamps of wisdom shining just for you, leading hearts to dream and grow each day, lighting minds along the way. Art, readers roam to learn and see.
In literature, we learn, imagine, and grow. A window to every world we can know.
Now it is time for our grade 2 students. They will share their poetry acrostics. Please give them a big round of applause.
I am P. Poem paint picture bold and bright, placing dreams in gentle light.
I am T. Thoughts take flight on silver wings, turning whispers into things. I am R. Rhyme with hill in steady beat, rolling smoothly, soft and sweet. I am Y. Yearning heart, find words to say, yearning hope along the way.
Poetry uses simple words, but those words can be really beautiful. Poetry can tell stories, share ideas, and show feelings.
The beauty of poetry. Poetry twinkles like stars at night. Little words shining clear and bright. It paints big pictures in our minds of magic worlds we get to find. It skips and claps in happy rhyme, keeping beat like a drum in time. It flips and flops and swirls around, making music without the sound. The beauty of poetry. Poetry is not only about beautiful words. It can also help us understand our feelings and share what is in our hearts. Sometimes poetry can comfort us when we feel worried, sad, or confused. It lets our thoughts flow freely and gently. Poetry can help our hearts feel better, just like a band-aid helps a small wound heal.
The next performance reminds us that poetry can be like a band-aid for our thoughts and feelings. Please listen carefully as our students present the poem called The Band-Aid, the benefit of poetry. Let us welcome the performers. Please give them a big round of applause.
When we write, our feelings flow like little streams that gently go.
We find our voice was brave and true, and share our dream with me and you.
We will hear from our young poets. They will tell what they learned and how they feel during the workshop.
My first poem, I feel numb. I hear mom, I feel lovely. This poem
is a free verse poem that means the word don't have to rhyme. My poem is about my mom, how I see her, hear her, and feel her love. Sweetness, sweetness in my dream. Chocolate falls in the stream. Today we baked some chocolate cake, then we ate the cake we baked. All this happened in my dream. I wanted to write something sweet and about cake. Roots with rumors. Long ago there was a tree. It said itself was very free. Every root would tell a secret from now to the deepest. Now the tree is in memories. I wanted to make something about nature and imagination. So I thought about this tree that had lived for a very long time and have heard many stories from many different generations. This tree has lived for many years and have listened to stories from many living things. When the story is like everybody knows it, the tree will keep it in its branches and leaves. But when it starts to be forgotten, the tree will keep it in its roots. I realized a few things while writing this poem, like how I could understand things from the past that might not always be visible right now. Poetry helps my imagination grow bigger and help me understand life and how I could see ordinary things like just a tree in a deeper perspective. Thank you.
Little seed, small and weak, no one knows what will become. A big strong oak tree. Cool autumn wind blows, so the tree danced through the breeze, made the world different. This poem is called a haiku poem.
Let us begin the poem recital. Let's welcome the grade 1 students.
Wave, clap, clap. Fish, fish, clap, clap. Brown tail, clap, clap.
Now let's welcome our on stage, grade 2. Let's clap our hand for them.
Min, Navi, Tammy, Phoebe, and Proud. Congratulations once again to our grade 2 students for your excellent Minda, Naleen, and Poon. Let us